When we are making juice from ginger at home, after squeezing out all that nice juice, we are always left with one big handful of squeezed ginger fibers and peels. Now, most people, they just throw it in dustbin thinking it is waste. But actually, in a garden, this leftover material can become very valuable. Today, we are going to use this in two very unique and surprising ways that will give real benefits to our plants. First, we're going to dry this entire squeezed ginger and peels. For this, just spread it nicely on any clean plastic sheet or tray, and keep it outside in full strong sunlight. Don't put in thick layer, keep it thin, so drying happens evenly. 1 week is enough time to dry it completely. You will know it is ready when you touch it and it feels crispy. It should break easily in hand, no moisture inside. After drying is done, collect everything and put it inside blender or mixer grinder. Make it into fine powder. Now this dry ginger powder is ready for garden use. The first way of using is very easy. Just take little amount of this powder in your hand and sprinkle it directly around plants, especially near the base where stem is meeting soil. What happens is, ginger is having strong smelling compounds like gingerol and some natural oils. These smells are not liked by small insects and pests. By sprinkling powder near plants, we are keeping away ants, aphids, soil insects, and even small worms that attack roots. It acts like small natural protection wall around plant. Also, ginger powder has little bit antifungal property, so it helps in controlling fungal infections like root rot, stem rot, or that common damping off disease in small plants. Slowly, when this powder is breaking down in soil, it is giving small minerals and organic matter also, which makes soil a little more healthy and supports good microbes that are helping roots to grow strong. Even though it is not strong fertilizer, small boost is always useful for gardening. Now, second method is more powerful. We are going to make spray using this ginger powder. For this, take 3 tablespoons ginger powder and add in 1 liter warm water. Mix it very well using spoon or stick and let it sit for half an hour. This waiting time allows ginger's good compounds to go into water properly. After 30 minutes, strain the liquid carefully using cloth or fine strainer, so no big bits are left. Now, important step is coming. We have to add 2 tablespoons water-soluble neem oil into this ginger water. Mix it properly, so oil is not floating separate, it should be fully mixed. Once mixing is done, pour into spray bottle and spray on both top and bottom side of plant leaves. This spray is very good because it is giving double protection. Ginger extract in water is repelling insects and is also stopping fungus from growing. Neem oil is very famous killing and stopping many pests like aphids, whiteflies, mites, and even small caterpillars. When both are mixed together, the spray becomes strong natural shield and still safe for plants. If sprayed properly in early morning or late evening, it will not disturb honeybees or other helpful insects. One more benefit of this spray is it cleans leaves nicely. Clean leaves means better sunlight absorption, and plant can do photosynthesis properly, leading to healthy and green growth.